Did you know that citrus trees not only beautify your garden, but can also provide you with the freshest, juiciest fruit right at your doorstep? Imagine stepping outside and picking an orange or a lemon straight from your own tree. Hey there, plant lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of citrus trees and how to keep them healthy. These vibrant trees are super popular among gardeners, and it's no surprise why. There's nothing quite like enjoying fruit that you've nurtured yourself. So, let's talk about how to grow healthy citrus trees so you can harvest big, juicy fruit. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, while growing citrus trees can be rewarding, it doesn't come without its challenges. Pests, diseases, and poor fruit production can really put a damper on your gardening dreams. You might find your leaves being munched on by pesky aphids or notice that your tree isn't producing the fruit you were hoping for. Diseases like root rot can sneak up on you too, especially if the soil isn't just right. So, before we get into the tips, let's acknowledge that these challenges are real, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some essential strategies to keep those trees thriving. Alright, let's get into the good stuff, tips for taking care of your citrus trees. First off, soil quality is key. Make sure you're using well-draining soil because citrus trees don't like their roots sitting in water. You can mix in some sand or perlite to help with drainage. Next up is watering. Citrus trees prefer deep watering less frequently instead of shallow watering often. This encourages deep root growth. Aim for about it, and remember, it's better to underwater than overwater. Fertilization is another essential aspect. Using a balanced fertilizer specifically for citrus trees can really boost their health. Look for one with a good mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Fertilize during the growing season, typically spring and summer, to give them that extra push. And let's not forget about pest management. Regularly inspect your trees for any signs of pests. If you find any, a gentle spray of neem oil can work wonders. It's a natural solution that helps rid your trees of unwanted visitors while keeping them healthy. Now, here's the most crucial tip that can dramatically improve your citrus tree's health: proper pruning. Yes, that's right. Pruning not only helps shape the tree but also encourages better air circulation and sunlight exposure. This means healthier leaves and more fruit. Just remember to prune in late winter or early spring before the new growth starts. It's a game changer, trust me. So, to recap our 5 essential tips for healthy citrus trees: first, focus on soil quality with good drainage. Second, water deeply but infrequently. Third, fertilize with a balanced mix during the growing season. Fourth, keep a lookout for pests and manage them naturally. And finally, don't forget to prune for better health and fruit yield. Following these tips can lead you to big, juicy fruit in no time. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your own tips and tricks for growing citrus trees in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other content on gardening. Let's keep growing together.